Hello, my name is Eugen from Prokuria, and in this short video I will show you how the contracts repository works and how to add new contracts to it. This is the main dashboard of Prokuria, and in order to access the contracts repository we need to click on contracts, and this is the main view of the contracts repository, where we can sort by different dates, start date, end date. We can filter. For example, we can see all the active contracts if we need. We can also group the contracts by different categories, and we can also add other columns in order to have as much information as possible. In order to add a new contract, we simply click on Add Contract, and we need to complete all the information here. And if we need to add a lot of contracts at once, we can simply do this with an import functionality via Excel. Now, in order to make things easier, I will show you an already completed contract for your reference. In the summary section, we have some general information regarding the contract, the name. We can add some notes regarding what information we need from the contract. We can add the supplier with whom we have that contract with, the supplier which is already in the supplier directory, and the contact from that particular supplier. We can have one contact assigned if you have multiple contacts for one supplier. For more information on the supplier directory, please see our video regarding the supplier directory. Moving next, we can have a start date and an end date for the contract, an initial term which changes according to the end date. For example, if I add another year here, the initial term will change automatically. We can also put a renewal term and a notice period, and here we can also put in place custom notifications. So when a contract is near its end date, for example, we can have custom notifications for you to be notified via email that the contract is nearing its end, for example. On the internal info, we can select the status of the contract. We can have a project assigned to it, as all the sourcing events are organized in projects in Prokuria, and here now you can have like a clear view of the contracts organized on projects. And in tags you can have whatever information you want, which is not already found in the other sections. As this is a contract for office furniture, I have added the tags which express this information. In the owner, you have the person that is responsible for that contract, and you can also assign a team. You can have multiple teams in Prokuria, for example, multiple departments, so each department can have its own contracts to take care of. And on last, you can also see who the contract was last updated by and when the update happened. We can also add additional fields which are not in the standard version of the contracts repository. For example, I have added a field regarding the internal approval status, as we can have also approval workflows in place. We can change and add whatever additional fields we want. We simply edit the page design, and here in the field section we can add whatever fields we want in order to have all the information that we need. Moving back to the contract. After the additional fields, we can put all the attachments pertaining to the contract. So maybe we can have an NDA and the actual contract. So in Prokuria, you don't have like contract templates in which you create the contract. You simply store them here, and you can have them stored in the attachments part. And on the comment section, we can simply start an internal thread with other colleagues. For example, we can ask someone from legal certain questions in order to have, in order to fix all the issues pertaining to the contract. And this can be done in the comment section. This has been just a short overview of how the contracts repository works in Prokuria and how you can add other contracts. If this is something interesting for you and you would like to explore more, or you would need more information, please feel free to contact us via the contact form on prokuria.com. Have a good day. Bye.